Hello, I'm giving you a video again with the same book I've been using before, the AMC 10 preparation. I've been getting a lot of feedback that my voice is very monotonous. So I'm going to be trying to sound a bit more exciting, okay? So let's start with the problem. The product of three prime numbers is 5 times the sum of these prime numbers, and the product is also divisible by 5. Find the largest of these prime numbers. Okay, so I would start off by trying to draw this out. So the product of 3 prime numbers, so I have P1 times P2 times P3 is equal to 5 times P1 plus P2 plus P3, okay? And the product is also divisible by 5. Okay, so this part, divisible by 5, very important. For these to be divisible by 5, that means that one of these prime numbers is 5, okay? I'm going to explain to you why. Let's say if it was 15 times, there are no other multiples of, there are no other things that are divisible by 5 that are prime except for 5 itself. So it couldn't be 15 because 15 is not prime because of 5 and 3. And so it has to be 5. So that means that we know that one of these p's is 5, okay? So now that I have that, I can rewrite this to 5 times P1 plus P2 is equal, 5 times P1 times P2 is equal to 5 times 5 plus P1 plus P2. So I just called P3 5, even though over here I drew it as P1. I hope that that is a-okay with you guys, okay? So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to divide by 5. So I have P1 times P2 is equal to 5 plus P1 plus P2. Okay, now you can see that we're making some progress. And now it is going to be time to factor, okay? Now when I factor it, I'm going to factor it to P1 minus 1 times P2 minus 1 is equal to 6, okay? Now I'm going to explain to you why this is, okay? We are going to move both of these over to the side, and in case you guys need some brushing up on your factoring, we're going to have to split this 5 up and add 1 to both sides. We're going to turn this 5 into a 6 and add 1 on both sides. This way we can get something that if the p's were the same, it would resemble it would be p minus 1 squared. So just a little bit of difference between the two, and we have this equation, okay? So now we need to find what P1 minus 1 is and what P2 minus 1 is. So 6 can be split up into 3 times 2 or 6 times 1. Now what we are trying to find is the largest of these prime numbers, okay? So let's say I chose 3 times 2. So that means that P1 would equal 4, or I guess you could also say it would equal 3 for you to get the 3 or the 2 here. And then P2 would also equal 4 or 3 to be able to get the other number here. But if I choose the 6, I'm going to get a greater value. The 6 times 1, I'm going to get a greater value for P1 or P2. So if I choose P1, that means that it would be 7 or 2. So 7, and it's going to be the same thing with P2, okay? Just heads up, as you can see over there. So the largest value for these prime numbers is going to be 7. And 7 is also prime. So the three prime numbers are 7, 5, and 2. Feel free to check my work and to prove it by plugging in these numbers. Comment below anything that you think I could help, and thank you for watching.